Businesses today need more than static forms and generic surveys to stand out. They need tools that captivate, engage, and convert. That's where Involve.me comes in. This innovative platform empowers you to create interactive forms, quizzes, calculators, surveys, and lead funnels that not only look great, but they deliver results. Want to know how it works? Well, let's go ahead and dive in and explore why Involve.me is becoming a go-to solution for businesses aiming to level up their customer engagement. What is Involve.me? So Involve.me is an AI-powered, no-code platform designed to help businesses create interactive experiences that captivate their audience. Unlike traditional forms or surveys, Involve.me projects are dynamic, visually appealing, and built for engagement. You don't need coding skills or a design background to create something stunning. With Involve.me, you simply drag and drop elements into place, tweak their settings, and launch your project. It's really that easy. But the platform isn't just about simplicity. It's about powerful features that really help businesses grow. Automate lead generation with personalized forms and quizzes. Collect payments seamlessly with integrated processors. Track detailed analytics to optimize performance. Involve.me is designed to solve real-world problems for marketers, sales teams, and businesses in any industry. Why choose Involve.me over competitors? When people think of online form builders, tools like Typeform often come to mind. However, Involve.me takes the concept of form building and supercharges it with functionality that Typeform and similar tools simply can't match. Some of the key comparisons. First things, looking at pricing. Involve.me's free plan offers 100 submissions per month, which is perfect for small tests or personal projects. Paid plans start at $29 per month for 1,000 submissions, scaling as your needs grow. In contrast, Typeform charges about $25 per month for 100 submissions, with its plan escalating quickly in cost. This makes Involve.me not only more affordable, but also a better value given its robust feature set. Payment integrations. Involve.me supports payment processors like Stripe and PayPal, allowing you to collect payments directly through your forms. Whether you're selling products, charging for services, or collecting event fees, this integration is seamless. Customization. Involve.me shines in design flexibility, offering a modern, intuitive interface and a vast library of templates. From e-commerce calculators to SaaS lead funnels, these templates are ready to use but fully customizable to fit your brand. Taking a look at some advanced features, Involve.me's calculators, logic jumps, and answer mapping allow for tailored user journeys. Typeform, while polished, lacks the same depth of functionality. Creating with Involve.me, a step-by-step breakdown. So creating an interactive project with Involve.me is both straightforward and rewarding. Here's how you can bring your ideas to life. Number one, setting up workspaces. So workspaces in Involve.me help you stay organized, especially if you're juggling multiple projects. You can create different workspaces for various departments or campaigns. For instance, marketing workspace. Here you'd create quizzes to engage customers or collect lead information. Then you might have a sales workspace with pricing calculators or ROI tools. Then you might have an HR workspace for onboarding surveys or job application forms. Each workspace can have unique collaborators, making teamwork easy. Plus, permissions can be adjusted so only the right people can view or edit specific workspaces. 2. Using the drag and drop editor. So the editor is really where the magic happens. Whether you're working with a blank canvas or a pre-designed template, you'll find all the tools that you need on the right-hand menu. Some elements include a choice field. So this is single or multiple choice questions with options to use images as answers. Data collection, short text answers, file uploads, and even currency inputs. Ratings and scales, star ratings, opinion scales, and net promoter scores. AI features, generate customized messages or responses based on user input. For example, if you're creating a feedback survey, you could add star ratings, comment boxes, and contact fields all in a matter of minutes. Interactive lead funnels, boosting conversions. Here's something a little bit surprising. Most websites only convert about 2.3% of their visitors, which is pretty crazy, right? A lot of that comes down to static, boring designs that just don't grab people's attention. That's why interactive lead funnels, like the ones you can build with Involve.me, are such a game changer. What makes a lead funnel effective? The first thing is guidance. Lead funnels use conditional logic to guide users through a series of steps steps tailored to their needs. For example, a fitness coach could create a quiz to recommend personalized workout plans, with each user's answer leading to a tailored final page. Qualification. With lead scoring in contact forms, you can qualify leads based on their responses. For instance, a SaaS company could use a funnel to determine whether a prospect needs a basic or a premium plan. Conversion. Involve.me's OTP email verification ensures that you're collecting real verified emails. Payment collection is seamless, making it easy to convert interest into revenue. Real life example, pricing calculator. Imagine you're running an agency and you want to offer potential clients an instant quote. Using Involve.me, you can ask questions about their project scope, include a calculator to tally costs based on their inputs, allow them to sign up and pay for services directly within the form. Advanced features to explore. One of Involve.me's biggest strengths is its arsenal of advanced features. Here are a few standouts. Number one, logic jumps and mapping. So logic jumps enable conditional navigation, ensuring that users see only the content relevant to them. For example, if a user selects SaaS on a pricing calculator, they're directed to SaaS specific options. If they select e-commerce, they see a different path. Mapping answers to outcomes is equally intuitive. Assigning weights to answers allows you to calculate scores or personalize results, making your quizzes and calculators more engaging. AI-generated text personalization, or AI-generated text. Personalization drives engagement, and Involve.me's AI tools excel in this area. Let's say a user inputs their name and selects a few services that they're interested in. At the end of the funnel, the AI can generate a custom message. Thanks, name. Based on your choices, we recommend our premium package for $500 per month. This kind of tailored interaction enhances user satisfaction and builds trust. Number three, integration. Involve.me connects with a wide array of platforms, including CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive. Email tools like MailChimp, Klaviyo, and more. Automation platforms like Zapier and Integromat. These integrations allow you to automate workflows, sync data, and streamline marketing processes. Analytics and reporting, tracking your success. Now, what's a great funnel or form without any insights? Involve.me provides robust analytics to help you measure performance. Some of the key metrics include completion rates, so you can see how many users finish your projects. Conversion rates, so you can track how well your funnel turns visitors into leads or customers. Geographic data, understand where your users are located. Device usage, optimize your designs for mobile, desktop, or tablet users. For example, if you notice a high drop-off rate on a particular page, you can tweak the design or simplify the questions to improve results. Publishing your projects. When your project is ready, Involve.me makes deployment effortless. There are embed options, so projects can be added to your website as full pages or pop-ups. Custom domains. Use your branding for a professional look. Tracking scripts. Integrate tools like Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel to monitor user behavior. Plus, the platform allows you to preview your projects on various devices. This ensures a smooth user experience whether visitors are using a desktop, smartphone, or tablet. Use cases. Who is Involve.me for? Involve.me is versatile enough to fit a variety of industries. Here are just a few examples. SaaS companies. You can build onboarding quizzes to guide users toward the right subscription tier. Use calculators to show ROI for potential clients. E-commerce businesses. Create product recommendation quizzes to drive sales. Use pop-ups for collecting customer feedback. Marketing agencies. Streamline lead generation with dynamic funnels. Offer clients tailored tools for engagement and data collection. HR teams. Automate job application processes with customized forms. Use surveys to measure employee satisfaction. So, final thoughts. Is Involve.me worth it? Absolutely. Involve.me is more than a form builder. It's a comprehensive platform that helps businesses create interactive, personalized, and effective user experiences. With its competitive pricing, advanced features, and user-friendly interface, it's a must-have tool for any business looking to step up its digital game. Now, if you want to get started with Involve.me, we have a link for it down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.